So, hello students, welcome to Jhadeswar Plus 2 Science Residential College. I am Dr. Arvind, present here to describe about data types of Java programming language. In the previous video lecture, we had already discussed the history of Java, features of Java, the programming structure of Java, so many things. So, my suggestion is before viewing this video, you simply view the previous video lectures for better understandings. So, now come to our today's topic, that is data type. So, what do you mean by data type? What is the need of data types and what are the different types of data types in Java? All these things we will be discussing in today's lectures. Okay. So, why the data type is required? As I have already told that in the programming, one declaration part is there and another is execution part. So, in the execution part, whatever the variables are used, that must be declared in the declaration part by the help of data types, right. So, in computer science and computer programming, a data type or simply a type is an attribute of data which tells the compiler or interpreter how the programmer intends to use the data. Okay. So, डाटाटा केमिति वे यूज हम कंपाइलर्स को जानब के प्रोग्राम and data type defines the operations that can be done on the data, the meaning of data and the way the values of the type can be stored. So, कौन टाइप रो डाटा आम यूज करवा कौन टाइप रो ऑपरेशन भितर यूज हम सपोज आम फ्लोटिंग टाइप ऑपरेशन यूज करछे ताले डाटा टाइप मोर कोन हेबा दरकार फ्लोटिंग टाइप हेबा दरकार इंटीजर टाइप ऑपरेशन करछे तो डाटा टाइप मोर कोन हेबा दरकार इंटीजर टाइप दरकार सो आम डिटेल्स रे आसीबा and a data type provides a set of values from which an expression may take its values. Okay, that is the variables or functions. Means a data type declare the functions type and also the variable type. Suppose functions भी हमें details रे परे आसीबा तो function भी हमें गोटे type रे declare करबा that is either integer हो void हो so many types are there, right. And a data type in programming is a classification that specifies which type of value a variable has and what type of mathematical, relational or logical operations can be applied to it without causing an error. So, किसी भी ऑपरेशन पूर्वर जहाँ भी आम वेरिएबल सपोज आम गोटे ऑपरेशन कर सम इक्वल टू आई प्लस जे सो ये सम इज एन वेरिएबल I is an also a variable, j is also an variable. So, before executing this operation, first the compiler or the interpreter checks whether these variables are properly defined by a data type or not. Suppose मुझे चाहूँगी integer type calculation करिया पे integer मुझे चाहूँगी दीटा integer value ने भी और result भी मोर integer हवा दरकार. So, you have to declare I as the data type as int, j is the data type as well as sum is the data type as int. अब ये जो declaration गुड़ाक कौन मोर हेबा दरकार declaration part रे हेबा दरकार. So जमी मु कहली whatever the variables you are using inside the execution part, that variables must be declared in the declaration part, right. So declaration part रे यदि मु एटा declare करना थी ताले एठी error आसीबो. एरर कौन आसीबो अनडिफाइंड वेरिएबल और अननोन वेरिएबल से वेरिएबल टाको रिकॉग्नाइज कर परिबोनी, राइट. सो द वेरिएबल्स मस्ट बी डिक्लेयर्ड बिफोर यूजिंग इन द एक्सप्रेशंस. ओके, एंड डाटा टाइप स्पेसिफाई द डिफरेंट साइजेस एंड वैल्यूज दैट कैन बी स्टोर्ड इन द वेरिएबल. सो डिफरेंट डाटा टाइप पे डिफरेंट साइज ऑलरेडी प्रीडिफाइंड. सपोज इंटीजर डाटा टाइप पे सपोज मोर साइज होची 4 बाइट्स. character data type in Java, it is 2 bytes. So these are the fixed bytes are there inside the compiler and the interpreter. Okay, and basically there are 2 types of data types in Java. That is what primitive data types, that is primitive data type and non-primitive data types, right? So primitive data types and non-primitive data types. In primitive data type, it includes Boolean data types. Then next is byte data types. Next is character data types. Next is short data types. Next is integer data types. Okay. Next is long data types. Boolean, byte, character, short, integer, long. Then float data types. And next data type is your double data types. And in non-primitive data types, we will be discussing one by one. Okay. So in non-primitive data types, it includes the classes, class, string, array. Okay. So in the non-primitive data types, it includes the class, string, arrays, and another is interfaces. Okay. So this includes your non-primitive data types. So in your syllabus only it contains the primitive data types and one non-primitive data types, that is strings. Okay. So now let us discuss one by one. First we will be discussing all the primitive data types and then we will switch over to string data types. Okay. So first come to Boolean data types. So what is Boolean data types? Boolean data types. Okay. So the Boolean data type is used to store only two possible values, that is either true or false. So only it contains two values, and this data type is used for simple flags that track true or false condition. So जो जगह मोर true और false बेस करके रहथो से जगह मु Boolean data type टा यूज कर पारि. And the Boolean data type specifies one bit of information. Only तार size कते? Size is 1 bit, means either 0 or 1. So এটা बहुत important. सब data type रो size टा तुमको जाना थिबा दरकार, either 0 or 1. Okay. And syntax केमती लिखिबो? Syntax, that is Boolean सबुतरे small letter, no capital letter, right? Boolean variable name semicolon, right? Example देखा, example Boolean variable name, किसी भी variable name हम नहीं परिबा, तो variable namings भी हमें केमती नेबा हमें आसीबा next video lecture रे. Suppose variable name है originally a, so a equal to true. Okay, a equal to true. See, तुम्हें true assign कर परिबो जदि किंबा और एमती लिख परिबो Boolean a. देखो दी जगह भीतर डिफरेंस कौन? यदि Boolean a equal to true कल ताले एटा true value टा assign करछु a को forcefully तुम्हें assign कल. यदि Boolean a कर देला ताले by default it contains a false value. In Java माने by default the Boolean value is false. माने ऑटोमेटिकली एयर वैल्यू से फॉल्स नहीं जीवो. जदि तुमे चाहो ट्रू करिया पई ताले तुमको केमती असाइन करिया पई पड़ियो Boolean a equal to true. ओके. जदि असाइन कर दोछ ताले ए केस रे एटा कोन हे जीवो? कांस्टेंट हे जीवो, राइट? कांस्टेंट कोन, वेरिएबल कोन हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर रे आसीबा. जदि किछि वैल्यू असाइन करा होनी सोर्स कोड रे खाली Boolean a लेखुछ ताले एठी एटा हे जीवो वेरिएबल. दीटा को a वेरिएबल, एठी a इज अ वेरिएबल having a constant value, that is true. Right? एटी हमें true टा assign करछे. So Boolean is a what? Boolean is a data type which can store only two values, that is true or false, and its size is 1 bit, that is either 0 or 1. Okay. And syntax Boolean the variable name, and example Boolean variable name either equal to true assign करिबा जदि true value assign करिया पिन चाहूतबो, or Boolean a. यदि Boolean a लिखुछ ताले by default its value will be what? False. Clear? Okay. Now come to our next data type, that is byte data type. Okay. Byte data type. So byte data types, it is an 8-bit signed 2's complement integer, that is, and its value lies between -128 to plus 127. Okay. So there is a tricks to find out the value range. See, byte data type means first you know about the size. What is the size of byte data type? That is 1 byte. Achha, 1 byte equal to how many bits? That is 8 bits. Okay. Achha, 8 bit means what? 0 to 7. Right. So this is important. First you know the size. 1 byte means 8 bit. So that is the size of a byte data type. So how can you find out the range? See, it's a small number, that's why easy to remember, but in later to know the size of means range of integer, float and double, it's very difficult to remember. Okay. So you know these tricks. Size equal to 1 byte. 1 byte equal to how much? 8 bits. 8 bits means 0 to 7, right? So 0 to 7 means the tricks is minus 2 to the power 7 to plus 2 to the power 7 minus 1. So this is the tricks. Okay. So minus 2 to the power 7 to plus 2 to the power 7 minus 1. So minus 2 to the 7 is how much? Minus 128 to plus 2 to the 7 is 128 minus 1, that is 127. So this is the tricks to find out the range of each data type, right? And its default value is, suppose there is no assigned value, then default value is 0. Then the previously I पढ़िले कौन तुम्हारा boolean data type, boolean data type ର default value केते false. So default value टाको भी टिके मन रखथुबो. And byte data type is used to save the memory in large arrays when the memory saving is most required. Okay. So ए देखो suppose 128 ରୁ 127 भितर मु गोटे value store करिया पे चाहूची, तो सेटा को मु बाइट रे भी डिक्लेयर कर परिबी, इंटीजर भी डिक्लेयर कर परिबी, ओके, लॉन्ग रे भी डिक्लेयर कर परिबी. सो ए सब डाटा टाइप रे मु डिक्लेयर कर परिबी, राइट. सो हमें मु परे आसीबी गोटे एग्जांपल नै कि सो इंटीजर यदि डिक्लेयर करबी से केते नबो 4 बाइट्स नबो साइज, लॉन्ग रे यदि डिक्लेयर करबी केते नबो 8 बाइट्स नबो. सो जदि 128 ରୁ 127 भितर मु गोटे वैल्यू रे डिक्लेयर करछु, सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल इंट a इक्वल टू 55. सी ए बर्तमान ए वैल्यू केते 55. मु एटा कोन डिक्लेयर करली इंट a इक्वल टू 55. बट इंट र साइज केते हम परे आसीबा, इंट र साइज होची 4 बाइट. ओके. ता माने 55 नंबर को स्टोर करिया पई मेमोरी केते स्पेस नबो 4 बाइट स्पेस नबो. जदि मोर नंबरटा 55 व्हाट प्रेजेंट इन बिटवीन -128 टू 127, तो 55 को मु इंटीजर रे डिक्लेयर न करिकी मु डिक्लेयर कर परिबी बाइट a इक्वल टू 55. सो बाइट a इक्वल टू 55 कले एयर स्पेस केते नबो मेमोरी 1 बाइट. सो ए डाटा टाइप रे कोन पे यूज हुए टू सेव द मेमोरी इन लार्ज अरेज, राइट. एंड इट सेव the space because the byte is 4 times smaller than an integer. Integer size केते 4 byte, byte ର size केते 1 byte, तो 4 times smaller than the integer, and it can also be used in place of integer data type जेटा मु कहली, राइट. तो syntax केमती आसीबो, syntax byte a equal to 55 एमती भी लिख पार, और बाइट ए डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू केते कहितली, डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू 0. जदि बाइट ए करछो तो डायरेक्टली ए टाको भी मु एक्सप्रेशन यूज कर परबी, किंतु डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू केते नबो 0. एर बाय डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू रहबो 0. आ सिंटैक्स एटा मु एग्जांपल टाइप रो कहि देली, सिंटैक्स ता ओके बाइट ए इक्वल टू 55 एटा को एग्जांपल हिसाब रे निया. सिंटैक्स सेम, सिंटैक्स होची कोन, सिंटैक्स बाइट variable name, byte variable name. So तुम जो एग्जाम रे लिखिबो पूरा ए सीक्वेंस रे लिखिबो सब डाटा टाइप्स रो. डाटा टाइप्स फर्स्ट definition of each data type and size of each data type, then range of each data type, then syntax, then example. For a sequence re each and every data type you have to maintain. Okay. So by data type clear. Next come to sort data type. Next come to sort data type, right? So what is sort data type? So first you know about the size. The sort data type is a 16-bit signed 2's complement integer. Its size equal to 16 bit. Okay. So 16 bit means what? See, how can you find out the range? 16 bit means what? 2 byte. 1 byte is 8 bit. The 16 bit means 2 byte. 16 bit means what? 0 to 15. 0 to 15. Put the formula, same formula, that is minus 2 to the power 15 to plus 2 to the power 15 minus 1. Very simple, right? So minus 2 to the power 15 is what? Minus 2 to the power 15 is 32768. 2 plus 32767. Very simple. Okay. So instead of saying these things, you can directly say this one. That is, suppose के उठे पचाला तुमको जे बाइट शॉर्ट डाटा टाइप रो साइज केते और रेंज केते तुम्हें फर्स्ट मन रख दबो जे शॉर्ट डाटा टाइप रो साइज केते दैट इज 16 बिट और 2 बाइट्स 16 बिट मींस व्हाट 0 to 15. तो 0 to 15 मींस minus 2 to the 15 to plus 2 to the 15 minus 1. डायरेक्टली एथि कहि दबो ए वैल्यूटा कहबे भी दरकार नै, राइट? एंड the default value, sort data type, the default value is what? Default value is 0. Okay. Sort data, the default value is 0. And syntax, yes, sort syntax variable name, sort variable name, semicolon. This is the syntax, right? Sort variable name. Then example kan naba, see, same style, that is sort a, or see, this is the purely variable. By default, its default value is how much? Default is 0. or sort मु सपोज किसी गोटे भैल्यू आसाइन करने पे चाहूँगी और से भैल्यूर रेंज केते रु केते हवा दरकार -3276 टू +32767 भितर हवा दरकार. सो प्लस ए इक्वल टू सपोज 120 सपोज. ओके. सो एट गोटे फिक्स भैल्यू मु आसाइन कर लिए को एटी वेरिएबल ए मींस यदि एटा को मु डायरेक्टली गोटे एक्सप्रेशन ले यूज करबी देन योर डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू विल बी हाउ मच 0. क्लियर? वेरी सिंपल. Next come to next data type, that is integer. That is integer data type. Okay. So what is integer data type? The same style. First point is what? Size. Size is how much? 4 byte. 4 byte means how much? 1 byte is 8 bits, 4 byte means 32 bits. Size is over. Then range. Okay. So as I already told the formula, that is what? 32 bits means what? 0 to 31. So 0 to 31 means range you can tell in this way, that is -2 to the power 31 to plus 2 to the power 31 minus 1. Right? So no need of calculating these things because it's a very big value. Okay. So no need of calculating these things. Simply you tell -2 to the 31 to plus 2 to the 31 minus 1. Very simple. Okay. And then size over, range over, then default value. default value is 0, right? By default the value will be 0 if you don't assign any value, right? And the integer data type is generally used as a default data type for integral values unless if there is no problem about memory. जे कौन सी जगह रे हम integer calculation करछे, in that place you can only use the integer value. तो syntax, yes, int variable name semicolon. So example, yes, int suppose a, yes, as I have told, what default value is 0. Int a means by default a will be 0, or int a equal to, suppose I want to assign one value, suppose 5.12, right? So here they are assigning a value, that is the constant value 5.12 to a, but here a variable, the value may be changed. Suppose output रे हमें जहाँ भी value हमें दबा से value a को change करें, किंतु एठी output रा value दे हेबनी, एटा compilation means source code रे एटा हमें define कर दले. That's why in this case a is known as the constant, here a is known as the variable, right? Clear about the integer data types? Next come to long data types. Okay, next data type is what? Our long data type. Bas the same style, first to know the size. So integer data type is 4 byte, long data type is just double the integer data type, that is size is 64 bit. 64 bit or 8 bytes you write first. 8 byte means what? 64 bits. 64 bits means 0 to 63. Very simple, right? And it's a what? It also the same as the integer, but the size is large. Okay, it's a 16 bit 2's complement integer, right? And then how can you find out the range? Yes, put the formula, that is what? Minus 2 to the power 63 to plus 2 to the power 63 minus 1. Very simple, right? And next is what? Default value. So like integer, its default value is 0 by default. Okay. Syntax. Yes, syntax is what? Long int variable name. int that is attached ହେଇକି ରହିବ, ଖାଲି long ଦେଇକି define କରିପାରିବନି, right? Then example, yes, long int a, ସେଠି a ର size ଥିଲା 4 byte and here a size is what? 8 bytes, just double the integer. Or long int a equal to, suppose one value I want to declare 1812 suppose. Okay, so 812 सेम आपको आम इंटीजर भी डिक्लेयर कर पारते, बट जो दुईटा इंटीजर नंबर आम मल्टीप्लिकेशन करुचे से टाइम रे मल्टीप्लिकेशन वेरिएबलटा को आम लॉन्ग रे डिक्लेयर करवा, तो सेटा भी गोटे आइडिया लगेब जो कौ केस रे आम लॉन्ग डिक्लेयर करवा, कौ केस रे इंटीजर डिक्लेयर करवा. तुम यदि दुईटा इंटीजर नंबर को मल्टीप्लिकेशन करुच कि मोर देन व्हाट 3, 4 और 5 नंबर सीरीज ऑफ इंटीजर नंबर को आम जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन करुए से आम मन गोटे डाउट आसो जे रेंजटा काले पारे जीव कि, तो से रिजल्टिंग वेरिएबलटा सब लॉन्ग रे डिक्लेयर करूँ जो सीरीज ऑफ नंबर इंटीजर नंबर मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर, राइट? तो रेंज पारगला माने से पुणी एगेन नेगेटिव साइड को पलि आसो, से केस आम लॉन्ग रे डिक्लेयर कर. ना सिंपल तुम अरिथमेटिक जो कैलकुलेशन कर भी जब वेरिएबल को तुम लॉन्ग डिक्लेयर कर किसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बट अननेसेसरली मेमोरी स्पेस गुटाक वेस्ट हो, आउ किसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं, किसी एरर आसबनी. तुम जो वेरिएबल को इंटीजर डिक्लेयर कर सेम वेरिएबल को लॉन्ग इंट करके भी डिक्लेयर कर पार. ओके, बट इट कंज्यूम्स व्हाट? ए लॉट ऑफ मेमोरी स्पेसेस unnecessarily. Clear about the long data type? So now come to our next data type, that is float data type. Float data type. The same style has to know about the size. So what is the size of float data type? Size is 4 byte. Okay, so 4 byte means 32 bits. So 32 bits means 0 to 31. Very simple. Then range. Range is, put the same formula, that is minus 2 to the power 31 to plus 2 to the power 31 minus 1. So range is our. Then what is the default value? Default value is what? Default value equal to 0.0. Actually float data type is used to represent a floating number, right? Either a floating number or to define a floating variable. Okay, so 0.0 is default. Okay, then syntax. Syntax is what? Float variable name. Float variable name. So that is the syntax. Then example. Yes, float a or float a equal to suppose 5.6. So here default value is how much? 0, right? So suppose 0.0 is the floating number, real number, decimal number. Okay, so float a means by default it will be 0.0, but if you want to assign some floating value, that is float a equal to 5.6. Clear? Very simple. Okay, next the double, that is the double data type. Double data types. So as we have already told, means clear what? Integer and long int means integer value in the large size you can define the long int. So it will be same. Float value you can declare its large size, that is the double, right? So double, its size is what? First size, see float size was 4 bytes, so double is 8 byte. 8 byte means how much? 64 bits. 64 bits means 0 to 63, right? So like that you can find out range. Yes, range how can you find out? Put the formula, that is minus 2 to the power 63 to plus 2 to the power 63 minus 1. Very simple. And here also the default value equal to 0.0. As I have already told what? The floating number can be defined or declared by the help of either float data type or double data type. तुमको जोट लागुथबो जे float रो range बाहर को पळे होची मोर result, in that case you can define double data type, right? Then syntax. Double variable name. Then example. Double a equal to 5.5 or double a. So it will कहते कौन? The default value is how much? Default equal to 0, but here a value is what? 5.5. देखो a equal to 5.5 मु float भी declare कर पारता थी, but double declare कर चुकी कौन पाई? किसी error आसी, there will be no error, but it consumes a lot of memory space because double size is double the size of the floating data types. Clear? So clear about the double data types. Next come to our last primitive data types, that is character data types. That is character data type, right? So what is character data types? So character data type is used to declare a character variable, right? And its size is what? Its size equal to 2 byte. 2 byte means how much? 16 bits. किछुटा character variable को declare करिया पे कि character constant को declare करिया पे we can use the character data types. So range, how can you find out range? Say size 16 bits means what? 0 to 15, right? So 0 to 15 means range is what? Minus 2 to the power 15 to plus 2 to the power 15 minus 1. Very simple, right? Then so, and the character data type is used to store the characters. Okay, so here the syntax, एठी किसी डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू नहीं बिकॉज कैरेक्टर हमको डिफाइन करने पड़ो. सो आइदर केयर वेरिएबल नेम देन एग्जांपल केयर ए जदि केयर ए कर मीन्स आम आउटपुट स्क्रीन रे से आमको गोटे वैल्यू मागिबो तो सेठी मु गोटे कैरेक्टर मु दे परिबी, राइट? और केयर A equal to within, and another point is that you can define the character constant within the single quotes. Single quotes भितर मु जहाँ भी लिखी that will be treated as character. Suppose char A equal to 5. So it is 5 is not the numeric value. 5 will be treated as the character value. Directly 5 टाको मु character हिसाब रे मु यूज कर पारि. और A equal to suppose मु किसी भी गोटे character नेली suppose P जहाँ भी मु रिप्रेजेंट करुच्ची विदिन द सिंगल कोट्स भितर जहाँ भी लिखी गोटे कैरेक्टर नॉट मोर देन दैट वन सिंगल कैरेक्टर इट कैन अलाउ, राइट? एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड द कैरेक्टर. सो हियर ए इज ए कैरेक्टर कांस्टेंट बिकॉज आम गोटे वैल्यू ताको असाइन करुचे डायरेक्टली वी आर असाइनिंग ए वैल्यू, बट हियर ए इज ए वेरिएबल बिकॉज नो असाइनिंग वैल्यू इन द सोर्स कोड. ये वैल्यूटा कौन मुझे देवी आउटपुट रे, ओके, रन टाइम रे देवी. केमती आम इनपुट करिया वैल्यू आम नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर डिस्कशन करिवा, राइट? सो क्लियर अबाउट द कैरेक्टर डाटा टाइप्स. सो कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दैट इज व्हाई कैरेक्टर इक्वल टू 2 byte in Java. Okay, this is a very vital question. So as I have already told, in other languages C and C++ uses only the ASCII character. C++ it uses the ASCII character. That's why the character data types only contains 1 byte of memory space. But in Java it uses Unicode. In Java it uses Unicode format, not ASCII format, right? That is the Unicode format, and that the represent Unicode system, that is 8-bit, is not the enough to represent all characters. So Java uses 2 bytes for the character representation. And in Unicode, what is Unicode? Here Unicode defines a fully international character set that can represent most of the world's written languages. That's why in Java the character size is 2 byte because it supports the international character sets. So very simple. In C and C++, as it supports the ASCII characters, so the character data type length is 1 byte. But in Java, it does not support the ASCII character code. It supports what? Unicode character code. Unicode character code means what? That is the international character set. That's why to support Unicode, it must consume 2 bytes of what? Memory spaces to define a character data type or character variable. Very simple, right? Next come to our next data types, that is what? String. String data type. So string data type is a what? Non-primitive data types, right? Or the reference data types. It's a non-primitive or reference data type. Say this type of data types not available in C and C++. In C and C++, to define a string data type, what you are using? Character data type. Character data type use करके हम string variable को declare करते हैं कौन रे C और C++ रे. But in Java, to define or to declare a string data type or string value, you can use the string data type. Java रे ଗୋଟେ string data type ଅଛି, and that is the non-primitive or reference data types. So what is reference data types or non-primitive data types? So the reference data type will contain a memory address of variable value, because the reference type won't store the variable value directly in the memory. See, memory means general data type and reference data type with a difference which general data types contains only the value, but the reference data types contains the value of the addresses, right? That is the value of the memory addresses. That is the difference between general data types means primitive data types and non-primitive data types. And strings are what? Strings means what? Character and strings. Difference is what? Character only contains a single character, but the strings may contain a single character or a group of characters, right? Many characters set. Clear? The string is designed to hold a sequence of character in a single variable, right? So, and whereas the character is a what? Is a array or a character array collection of separate character type entities, right? So जेमती मु कहली so simple देख गोटे syntax कले जान परिबो syntax. अच्छा, syntax रे कोन string string रे s टा capital एटा मन रखे पे पड़िबो string रे s टा capital, right? String then variable name, okay? So हम एटी किछि किबा एमती दे परिबो example string a equal to and double quotes welcome. See, एटा गोटे डिफरेंस पे जान परिबो character और string with the difference होछि कोन string must contain within the double quotes and character must contain the within the single quotes. Suppose गोटे character को मु string और character रे डिफाइन करे पिन चाहूची, right? Suppose exam रे आसीओ represent 5 in terms of character. 5 टा को मु character केमते डिफाइन करबी simple कौन char a equal to 5 single quotes, right? Then 5 in terms of string केमते करबी string a equal to 5, okay? बहुत ट्रिक्स क्वेश्चन. सो देखो एटी सेम 5 गोटे नंबर गोटे कैरेक्टर को इन टर्म्स ऑफ कैरेक्टर डिक्लेयर करुच्ची जदि मु सिंगल कोट्स दूची, बट इफ यू आर पुटिंग डबल कोट्स देन दैट सेम वैल्यू विल बी ट्रीटेड एज स्ट्रिंग डाटा टाइप. क्लियर? सो वेरी सिंपल. एंड हियर आल्सो स्ट्रिंग डाटा टाइप्स से size. What is the size of string data type? That depends on the number of characters used in the strings. So there is no size, okay, because the non-primitive data types and non-primitive data types only contains what? Value of the memory address variable, right? So here you cannot write the size of string data type. Only size you can specify only the primitive data types. So clear all about your data types. So in Java, what we are told in taught in the today's class, that is the data types of Java, need of data types, and different data types are what? Primitive and non-primitive data types, and primitive data types contains what? Different primitive data types values, okay, and non-primitive data types string, arrays, okay. So these are the interfaces, these are the non-primitive data types. Clear? So if any doubts or any suggestions or any comments, so link is given, please put your queries there. So thank you to all.